What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Carlos and we're gonna play with some paint. So here we have some white paint. Yes, okay, we're all in agreement. All right, and we're just gonna go ahead and pour some of this paint onto here, just like so. I'm gonna make a really thin layer. Let's see, come on, get up, paint. All right, so got my little trusty little spatula thingy. I'm just gonna go ahead and spread some stuff around, or try to, without knocking over the camera. I'm gonna try to get a nice thin, super thin layer, just to kind of get the canvas wet. Why? I don't know. I think that's what you're supposed to do. There we go. Not quite even completely covered, but we're getting there, little by little. Not even close. All right, still not even close. That's pretty good. So, ladies and gentlemen, I got me a couple little thingies that I wanted to try out. I call everything a thingy when I don't know what it's called, so yeah. We're just gonna go ahead and go with that. It's a thingy. It seems like a lot of paint on my finger now. Spread it around, nice and gently, just like so. Alright, so they look like little vials, and they've sprung a leak. Here, as you can see them, I've already pre-filled the paint in them, but apparently the paint is seeping through the bottom, so we're gonna have to do this kind of quick, ladies and gentlemen, or not. This thing seems kind of stuck. You know what? Fine, we'll break it open. Now what? Okay, so it's basically a version of the funnel pour / wandering pour thingy. I got some primary colors in here. I got some white, I got some black, and they have a little bit of silicone in them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start somewhere in the corner. I got 5 of them because they're itty bitty and they don't hold too much paint, so I don't expect there to be too much how do you say, I can't talk right now. A lot of tilting will not be required. There we go. And I got a bunch of paint in my hands. Why? Because I wasn't careful. I got excited for the idea and I rushed it. But it's okay. Why? Because that's already looking kind of dope, ladies. And the one gentleman that watches. What I do got to keep track is when it empties out. Because these things are tiny. They don't hold too much paint. And this thing is still kind of half full, which is kind of cool because we're already almost to the end. Oh, well, not really. We're close to the end of one side of the canvas. I can't even talk. This is looking kind of dope. Some of these little yellow cells are just exploding. I'm just going in a serpentine little pattern, little snake pattern, going side to side. Letting the paint just ooze on out. I'm really hoping I hit record. That would suck. Okay, you're recording. I definitely want to try this again, but I gotta figure out a way to do it without them leaking, for one, and I don't know what else. We're going to go ahead and let that one end off the side. We're just going to connect it back to the front, to the top, to the side, whatever you want to call this. La-di-da-di-da-di-da. Can't tell if it's empty or not. I don't really want to drag white over those, so I'm just going to kind of go sneak off the side. Which will in turn make I don't know, like a little body of white paint in between. That'd be kind of dope. No, apparently there's still more coming out. Come on, paint. I got 4 more of your little twin siblings over there I need to pour out. Let's go. Holy moly, don't tilt the whole thing, bro. Careful. Yeah, we're gonna call you done. Bye. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the next one. These suckers are like on there pretty good. With this one, I am gonna start at the very edge, let it kind of pour over the side. I'm gonna try to leave some negative space in between. In between the pores, I guess, the drags, or whatever you want to call this. And yeah, this one doesn't seem as colorful. This one's got a lot of blues and a lot of whites, a little bit of red. Come on, play nice. Get out of my little tube thingy. Maybe we'll start going side to side a little bit further. Oh, look. Some of them yellows are coming out. Alright. We'll break up the pattern. We'll go short little swirlies. And then we'll go off to one side. Maybe straight down some. I don't know. I seem like I'm now narrating. Well, obviously I'm narrating. I don't know, ladies and gentlemen. Just ignore what I'm saying. Just look at this pretty stuff coming out of these little tubes. Why? That's pretty dope. Come on, little tube. Empty out. I did a practice one earlier where I blew into the tube. It made a mess. So I will not be doing that. I guess the force was a little bit too much. And yeah. I for sure did not get these types of cells. Because I guess, you know, blowing it kind of mixed it all up. Mix it all together, and as it came out, it just kind of went everywhere. Still got a little bit in there. Maybe we'll come back around this way a little, just to kind of connect them. Should we connect them, ladies and gentlemen? Nah. We're not connecting nothing. I'm going to bring this over to the side. And then off the bottom. Bye. Alright, so here we go on to our third little tube thingy. Come on, let go. Let go. I got screws on the bottoms of these things to kind of plug up the holes. And they got pretty sharp teeth, so when I screwed them in there, the teeth gripped onto the plastic pretty tight. So maybe on this one I'll drag it a little bit faster and a little bit more. No, maybe not. You know what? I'm gonna stop talking. We're gonna fast forward from here on out, so that way it doesn't become a really long video. I'm still here, ladies and gentlemen. I just decided to take a little pause from this fast forward thing just to say hi. How's it going? I missed you, ladies. And the one dude that watches. This is kind of looking kind of cool. If you guys can hear my voice, let me know what you guys think in the comment section so far. We're going to tilt a little just to kind of spread it around a little bit, but I don't want to spread too much. And fast forward. Bye. Oh, okay, so we're done. We've done 3 already. Let's see if there's any paint left in these last two. This is taking forever. See, here's the little screw. I have it plugged in, and as you can see, a lot of the paint has already come out. So I'm gonna try to do this a little bit faster. Whew, so far so good, ladies and gentlemen. Here are only 4 of the little tubes. 1 left, so here we go. 3, 2, 1. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're pretty close to the end. Or at least of emptying these little tubes. Man, it's been like half an hour. Okay, it's probably been like 15 minutes. But I'm digging it. It looks kind of cool. Got all kinds of different colors, all kinds of different so like some colors are more pronounced than others. Like we got reds and blues here, so definitely a whole bunch of yellow coming right through here, and then we got some dark stuff on this side, maybe even some greens where the colors blended a little. I got some paint on this hand too. Yeah, this is the little never-ending tube. Come on, little guy. Yay! Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that took forever, but just a little tidbit. Look, I dropped a drop on the little knife and check those cells out. Alright, hey, focus, check that out. Alright, no? Okay, bye. So apparently these little tubes still had a lot of paint in them. I got all kinds of swirlies on the side. Alright, so I'm gonna tilt just a little bit just to kind of spread stuff around, and yeah, I'll bring you in for a close-up. And FYI, I'm not wearing gloves, which I probably should have. Alright, so we're gonna grab it this way so you guys can kind of see. Gently. Oh, I'm tilting pretty hard. This paint ain't moving. This paint's like, no bro, put me down, don't tilt me for nothing. Okay, fine. I'm gonna listen to the paint. Ladies and gentlemen, time for the close-up. Alright. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we have some wild and wacky cells in the form of snakes. Yeah, there we go. They're little itty bitty snakes. So we got a billion, million, little trillion little cells going all the way around and coming down each individual line. Or not individual line, but whatever. You can see. Maybe I should zoom in a little. Zoom in, sucker. Yeah, check that out. Try to keep my hand as steady as possible, ladies and gentlemen. And go slow, sucker. You always go fast in your videos. You can't see nothing. Everything is blurry. So there's the end. Nope, there's the end. Wait, where the hell's the end? There's the end. This one looks kind of dope. I like the whites, I like the light blue, I like the dark red, and the yellows popping through. That rhymed. That's funny. Focus. Don't play with me now. See this section right here? That looks kind of dope. It looks like the skeleton remains of a snake. Skeleton? Skeletal. There we go. And come all the way down to the bottom. Where's the bottom? Hello, bottom. There it is. Bam. Move over to the side. Shoot up. Okay, which one were we just on? There we go. No, wait, that's the snake. I'm staring at the screen, so I don't know which one I'm pointing at. But yeah, maybe I'm just crazy, ladies and gentlemen, but I definitely like this. I think I definitely am going to continue to play with this. I don't want to call it a technique. This pour using these little itty bitty little tube thingies. Let's get a close-up shot of some of these. Dude, seriously, that looks like a dragon buried in the snow. Tell me it don't. Tell me it don't. I dare you. No, because you guys are smartasses. You probably will. You'll be like, fool, that ain't no dragon. You just put some paint in a tube and poured it on a canvas. Well, whatever. I like it. Yeah. Okay, so let me just zoom back out. Zoom out, sucker. There we go. Let's get a nice little shots of the side. I like it better when it's zoomed in. But anyways, ladies and gentlemen, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. If you like the video, please don't consider giving it a like. Just go ahead and do it. Don't consider it. Just do it if you liked it. If you don't like it, well then you know what? You know what to do. And yeah, if you're new here and you would like to see more of this funky stuff right here. No, not my finger. The painting. The pour. Whatever you want to call it. Go ahead and subscribe. And yeah, I will definitely play with this some more. And hopefully we can come up with something that looks kind of cool. Like this. Bam! Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you guys for watching. I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.